Are you interested in using fresh ideas about leading and learning more often and more intentionally in your school? Would book study questions, slides to embed in meetings, and workshops help? What about a whole database of those resources to choose from? If so, then Socrates Head of School has exactly what you need and will deliver it right to your inbox. Each month of the school year, we will email you key resources from 2 books that could impact what leading and learning looks like on your campus. The first will be book study questions based on our distillations of those books. The questions are divided into 3 parts: connection questions to get everyone participating, what would Socrates ask questions to broaden the thinking, and then what if questions to encourage visualizing what change on campus based on these ideas might look like. The second resource is a set of slides to embed in meetings on campus. You will get slides with the questions, quotes, concepts, and research that we think is most likely to impact leading and learning at your school. Maybe you open a slide that is perfect for your faculty or team. Great. You can embed it into your next meeting. Maybe you see a slide that could help a colleague. Great. You can email it to them so they can use it. The third resource is a workshop ready to use. You can present the slides yourself or simply use the video we have made for you. Think of it as a mini workshop for you to use in the next meeting or professional development day where that specific topic would be the most helpful. In addition to these resources, a subscription with Socrates Head of School unlocks all of our resources from the past. That's right, in addition to 2 books each month of the school year, you'll have access to resources from over 100 books in our database. This gives you the ability to design the best possible meetings, book studies, and workshops for your school. Then you can rest assured that the faculty and administrators at your school have access to the best research on leading and learning to accelerate your school forward.